You, what?
I thought we were gonna play stupid cards.
Oh, stupid cards? We ain't talking about stupid cards.
And then we fight, and then we pick a candy cane off the tree. Right, Dumpty?
Uncle Jery playing with dog. Uncle Jery you want to fight Uncle Jery?
Yes! What are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time, kick your butt. Don't. Danny, calm down, Danny. We're just playing. Danny, we'll put a new one. No, we don't. You say play cards. Danny fight.
Come on!
Okay, let's play cards.
Okay, come on.
Do you have a 5? Do you have a 5? Danny, quit licking my face. I don't have any peanut butter on it.
Oh, stop calling this doggy Danny.
Well, that's a nickname.
I'm gonna put you.
Daddy, what? Let's play cards. Come on. Let's play.
Come
You got me all excited. All excited.
Okay, push it.
It's not a card. Where's your ace of spades? Where's your ace of spades, huh? It's not.
Push it.
Dude, it's broke. It's broken. Holy shit. That was a pretty good one, wasn't it, Danny?
Hey, get off of his ear! Don't do that again, Danny!
Danny,
You're good, Danny.
Danny, bite my ear. Well, you're not gonna fight me yet. You're gonna play the card. Do you have ace of spades? Do you have ace of spades?
No, come on.
Why you don't fight me now? Don't fight me.
Yes, it's time to fight.
I gotta turn the film off because you can't have kids violence on TV. The dog gonna bite my ear again.
Excuse me, I thought we were gonna fight.
Okay, let me kick your ass and then we'll come back. Has the dog wound up? I'm kicking her ass again. I used to see this shit. Jery just popped her, and Danny came in and whipped her a new one. Danny's such a good donkey. Get it, Danny, get it! Get her, Danny! Get her! Danny won't go in the kitchen. Danny trained. Come here, Danny. Come here, Danny. Come here. Danny. Come here, Danny. Come on, Danny. Oh, come on, Danny. Danny. I'm gonna get your water. This is a smart, dumb dog. His parents, brother, and sister. Hey, you know you pissed Uncle Jery off. Look, he did.
You pissed Uncle me off?
You did.